Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to set passcode for your PS Portal. It's very simple. Okay, what you need to do is simply you can slide like this, or you can press PS button if you have the latest software, and then go to settings. Under settings, right, you can see the system and then go to passcode. Okay, under passcode, right, I'm going to set this 0000, or you can use the buttons as well. Your passcode is set. If you enter the wrong passcode 10 times in a row, you will be locked out for 10 minutes. I'm going to give OK. So that's it, friends. If you want to delete, right, your passcode, that also you can delete it. If you want to change the current passcode, that also you can do it. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is definitely helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in video forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.